Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for journal creation. First, navigate to Canva and select a journal template or start fresh. You can easily adjust page sizes, perhaps to a standard 8.5 by 11 inches, ensuring your journal is ready for print or digital use. Dive into the extensive library of design elements, featuring millions of photos, graphics, and fonts to kickstart your creative process. Now, let's bring your journal pages to life. Easily add text boxes for your thoughts, dates, and titles, choosing from hundreds of font styles. Enhance visual appeal by incorporating images, fun stickers, or beautiful illustrations from Canva's collection. Remember to use the alignment tools and guides. They are incredibly helpful for creating a clean, professional layout, ensuring everything is perfectly placed on your page. For a more polished look, explore advanced customization options. If you have a specific aesthetic, apply a brand kit to ensure consistent colors and fonts across all your journal pages. The layering feature is fantastic for managing intricate designs, allowing you to easily arrange elements. Plus, you can invite others to collaborate on your journal, making it a shared creative experience with up to 50 team members. Once your journal is complete, it's time to export it. You can download your masterpiece in several formats, such as a print-ready PDF, a high-resolution JPG, or a transparent PNG. Whether you prefer to print it yourself at home or send it to a professional service, Canva makes it simple. You can also share your digital journal directly online, reaching a wider audience with just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.